The wise man only looked at it for 3 seconds and knew how to remove the metal ring in the middle. People who can't turn their minds. It may not be possible to give him 3 hours. The name of this object is the incense of grinding gold. It is said to be a brain training system at Harvard University. The vast majority of people have it. They will feel that they can take it out directly. Then you are too naive. Through observation, there is a gap in the iron ring. There are many grooves around the box. The smarter ones think you can put a hoop through these grooves. And it's true. But how to go around is the key. Do you know how to remove the ring? This tests whether the child has done any thinking training at home. Children with strong mental training. He would start with a letter with the notch on the left. Turn left first, then turn left at this position. It needs to pass through 3 gaps in a row. And here we are. We go through the gap below. Put the hoop through the opposite side. At this time, rotate the box 180 degrees. Then rotate the ring under the notch box. Then rotate the box slightly. Finally, the ring is exported along the groove and it can be successfully taken out. There should be applause here.
This pair of staggered creative nails. He couldn't turn his head around, and he might not be able to think of his solution after thinking about it all day. This is no ordinary nail. He is an introductory brain training question for children. Through observation, both nails have gaps. But if you don't think about it and want to take it directly, no matter what the gap is, can't take it off. The gap is too narrow. Many children find it impossible to solve it at all. And those children who often play with a toy, able to face challenges, think from different angles and seek solutions. Please look good. Lift the right nail. Let the pointed end of the nail pass through the gap in the middle of the left nail. At this time, direct extraction is still not feasible. Slide this way to the end. The 2 T-caps were stuck again. 80% of the kids get there and lose patience. In fact, here, one step away from the city attack. Mobilize reverse thinking. Let the right-hand nail slide along the other side of the track. Alternate your hands. Finally, the left nail is rotated 90 degrees clockwise, using the principle of spatial dislocation. The 2 T-hats are perfectly staggered. Successful separation.